Hey guys, this is Smriti. Welcome to my channel. If you guys are new here, welcome. Today's video is a super exciting video. It's how to dupe Colourpop's Good Sport palette. So if you guys had missed on that launch from Colourpop, I know that when it was launched, I was super intimidated by it and I loved the colors, but I was not ready for it at that time. And then after a blink of eye, it was discontinued. So here I am with dupes. If you guys basically have Urban Decay's Born to Run palette and Too Faced Pumpkin Spice palette, or similar color story, you would have that Good Sport palette in your hand. So without further ado, let's dive right into the video. I'm going to put a picture of Good Sport palette on one side and I'm going to show you the swatches that I did using these palettes on the other side. I have all the swatches with me. I'll insert the swatches, that would be better. So let's start off with the first shade, and that was Wild Out, and that's been duped by Stranded from Urban Decay's Born to Run palette. It's a very champagne shimmer with a slight pink undertone to it, and that's what the first shade is all about. The second shade is called Hooky, which is duped by Ginger Spice which is duped by the shade called Ginger Spice from the Too Faced Pumpkin Spice palette, and that is more of like a orange shade. If you do not have that pumpkin spice palette, you can also dupe it by the Urban Decay's palette in the shade Baja. Basically a deep matte orange shade. That's what the shade is all about. The third shade from the Good Sport palette is called Rookie, which is being duped by Ignite from the Urban Decay palette. Now this is more of an orange copper shimmer. If you have any other orange copper shimmer or any copper shade for that matter, you would get a similar look on your eyes. The fourth shade in the palette is called Sister, which is being duped by Hellride from the Urban Decay palette. Now this is more of like that purple matte shade, which also has a lot of magenta into it. We also have a similar shade in the pumpkin spice palette, which is called You Spicy. So even if you have like any one of the palette, you can get the look. The fifth shade in the Good Sport palette is called Licious, which is being duped by Fall Vibes from the Too Faced palette. The Fall Vibes is more of like a green gold shimmer. The next shade in the palette is called High Hopes, which is being duped by Spice Spice Baby in the Too Faced Pumpkin Spice palette. Now a similar shade to that is Riff from the Born to Run palette. Spice Spice Baby is a little deeper version of that, but nothing that you cannot like build it up. You can definitely build up the shade and you can get the similar look. The next shade in the palette is called Reckless, which is being duped by Punk from the Urban Decay's Born to Run palette. It's a deep chocolatey brown shade. By the way, this is a chocolate inspired matte look. If you guys have not watched it, I'll definitely leave it in the iCards above. If it is not uploaded as yet, it is coming soon. The next shade in the palette is called Trooper, which is being duped by Pumpkin Spice from the Too Faced Pumpkin Spice palette. It's more of like that pumpkin orange yellow shade. It has a lot of yellow and orange in it. And I think those colors go so well together. Especially now, I really feel all the companies are coming out with a palette with a similar color story. Let's say Colourpop's that Gather Around Sisters palette, which was inspired by Hocus Pocus collection, or let's say the Too Faced Pumpkin Spice palette, or let's say the Pat McGrath what is that called? Celestial Divinity palette. There's so many palettes with like the same color story coming up. It's getting very repetitive. So I don't think you need all the palettes. If you want it, why not? Sure, get it. But I think if you're looking for like unique colors in your collection, I think any of them would give out a similar color story. So the next shade in the palette is called Hooked, which is duped by Falling For You from the Too Faced palette. Now this is a very, very unique shade. It's more of like a dirty olive green shimmer. I hardly think I think I have one more palette that dupes it, and that would be my Too Faced Gather Around Sisters palette. So the next shade in the palette is Trophies, for which I had to take my Colourpop's Gather Around Sisters palette because that's a very unique shade in my whole collection. I don't think I have any other shade that can dupe that, and that is duped by Bewitched from Gather Around Sisters palette. It is more of that dirty matte green shade, and it's a very muted green. I really like that palette because of the mattes in the palette, because it's very unique, and this is super special color in that palette. The next shade is called EBB, which is also duped from that Gather Around Sisters palette, and the shade name is called Yabos, which is more of that olive green shimmer, but this is also a very muted shade. It's a very dirty olive green. The next shade in the palette is called Flow, which has been duped by Warm and Cozy from the Too Faced Pumpkin Spice palette. This is more of that matte reddish brown shade, a very deep matte red. If you guys have Gather Around Sisters palette, you also have a similar shade there, which is called Night of Frolic. Yeah, so basically I had like so many shades overlapping from these palettes that I really wanted to share it with you guys. So if you guys missed on the Colourpop's Good Sport palette, or if you guys have that Colourpop's Good Sport palette and if you missed out on any of these palettes, you probably have a lot of shades already in your hand. So that's the whole purpose of the video, not to overlap your collection, but to get unique and variety in your collection. So with that thought in mind, let's wrap up today's video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed the dupe video that I created for you guys. If you guys do like dupe videos, please do give it a thumbs up, and also share, like, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I generally upload every Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Until next time, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!